Hi, my name is Sheila Satin, and I'm the jewelry designer here at the Satin Crystals Boutique. Today I want to show you two of our one-of-a-kind Howlite necklaces. So this first one here is a large slab of white and gray howlite that has been polished, smooth, and left rough on the edges. It is wrapped in copper wire and has a small snowflake obsidian donut wrapped in. So this is a black and white obsidian. The pendant is hanging from a smooth satin finished nylon twist cord with a large knot clasp. So it's easy to remove and secure. The next one we have here is a strand of howlite, the gray and white beads, and also some off-white river stones that you'll see. And these have been polished into smooth round beads, and they're strung with gold accent beads with a fiery yellow resin pendant. So this hangs from the bottom. The fancy necklace is secured with an ornate gold-plated toggle clasp, which you can easily undo by placing the bar into the circle and vice versa to secure. This necklace is also one of a kind. They both come in a gift box and they're ready to gift, they're ready to wear, and it'll make a great statement piece and crystal healing piece as well. Thank you for watching. Come visit us at the Satin Crystals Boutique anytime.